Well, I thought it was a star, but it was just a plane. Well, it might have been the brightest light that I had ever seen. And I thought it was a bird, but it was just a leaf. Well, it might have sang the saddest song that it could ever sing. And I thought it was a girl, but it was just a bird. Well, it might have been the bestest song that I had ever heard.
I start my mornings out with goodbye to dreams of you, and I have a cup of joe and you are having one too. Then I turn the TV on to see what the weather would be. I can hear their voices talk, but you are all I can see. My